I feel like I want to remind the Scorpios that, yes, there are stories unfolding and or stories that have already unfolded in your life, right? When you give your attention to the stories, you become whatever those stories are. You become the energy of those stories. You become the same emotions in those stories, so on and so forth. Often, or let me put it this way, you must learn how to remain in the present moment and observe the story rather than giving attention, because giving attention to the story, your attention is your power. You eventually become the thing that you give your energy and attention to. And this is where you've got to be careful. Because there's an idea somewhere in your mind that once all these stories are done, then I'm free. No, that's not what gives you freedom. You're already free right now. It's just you don't know this because of how much of your attention goes to the stories. Your attention going to the stories clips your wings and you can't feel free. You don't get to experience that. So instead of waiting for these stories to end, right? We don't want to do that. Let the stories be as they are. Learn to be in the present moment, to keep bringing attention to the present moment. This is what your practice needs to be right now. From the present moment, observe the stories. What a different experience this then becomes for you.